欢喜在地新闻，好来乡亲啊，继续来看这个2020年诺贝尔医学奖来公布到得奖的名单，是由美国的学者阿特尔甲莱斯，也有英国的学者霍顿，因三个人因为发现到新型肝炎的病毒来得奖。
The 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine jointly to Harvey J. Alter, Michael Horton, and Charles M. Rice.
诺贝尔委员会伫瑞典首都斯德哥尔摩宣布得奖者分别来自英美的3位学者，其中上少年的是这个68岁美国教授莱斯。
Well, it came as quite a surprise, and it's wonderful to be in the company of Harvey Alter and Mike Houghton.
莱斯教授甲70岁英国教授赫顿以及85岁美国教授阿尔特三人伫70到80年代的研究，找到新型肝炎病毒。透过血液传播的重要来源，后届人类伫输血进程会使先验血，会使消毒输血了去治疗肝炎，改善全世界民众的健康。
Hepatitis C was a very quiet disease, and the bad outcomes weren't known until 30, 40 years after you were infected. And then originally weren't even known to be due to the virus. We just knew there were people dying of cirrhosis and cancer.
世界卫生组织估计，全世界目前有超过7000万人有去患着新型的肝炎，每一年有40万人因为安尼过身。新型肝炎是慢性疾病，而且是肝硬化甲肝癌的主要原因。评审认为讲，战胜新疾病必须要先认出病毒。这3位英美学者得到诺贝尔医学奖，实至名归。